Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the default ending text from editing timeline on CapCut Mobile. So if you if you are new to CapCut, when you start a new project, here I'm going to select the video first. For example, here I'm going to use this. Okay, so if you start a new project, by default there will be a ending text here from CapCut, this one. So if you want to remove it, you can just remove it click on delete like this. But if you want to remove it permanently, you need to go back to the CapCut editing homepage, and then go to the settings on the top right corner. And here there will be an option to add a default ending, so you need to disable this option. Click on this, click on discard to discard the ending. So when you start a new project, here there will be no default ending like that again. As you guys can see here, there's no default ending. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.